Hello teachers and friends, I am going to be talking about wildlife conservation. My name is Tushar Khandekar. I chose wildlife conservation and the topic animals because I love the nature and animals. The most challenging part was the understanding of the concept because I am new to IB school world. My weakness is focusing and my strength is knowing much more about animals. when I get when I know all this information, I can share it with my class so I can make them cautious. Otherwise, they will treat the animals like a bit bad. So we will move on to the next slide. What is wildlife? Wildlife includes undomesticated birds, plants, animals, and living animals living in nature. Found animals. Some animals should not be kept as pets because they are wild. Like you are not allowed to keep any elephants at your house. Yeah, and basically people actually keep elephants as pets, but they are they're pets because they work. But if they are from the wild, you are not allowed to keep them. Wildlife is found in all ecosystems like forests, rainforests, plains, deserts, and grasslands. In deserts, there is not much of wildlife because it is so dry. It is too dry. Because of drying so much, animals die also over there, and there is hardly any water. Wildlife is found in water too, like oceans and seas. Wild animals are the part of food chain and every important continuance of Earth. Wildlife habitat. Habitat is basically the area where animals live. It provides resources such as food, shelter, water, and environmental conditions like rainfall, landscape necessary for survival of wildlife. Any disturbance in the wildlife will adversely affect animals' living area. Have you ever noticed if a cat's house, I've noticed it in cats only, but if there is like some other smell of anything in their house, they will never go inside it because they know something had come in their house and it is not nowhere safe to live. Human acts that endanger wildlife. Human acts that endanger wildlife destroy their habitats include depletion of forests, unplanned urban development, expansion, agriculture, cultivation in forests, water management projects like big dams, biotic interference like grazing, fire. Overgrazing can lead like less of forest because when animals overgraze, then the forests are less. Um, by one spark of fire also the whole forest can burn because one fire can lead to another fire, then that fire can lead to another one. Biotic interference like grazing fire. Pollution is in many ways. Plastic pollution is the most baddest. all the animals can all the animals eat the plastic knowing that it is food and they die because of choking. Diseases and hunting. Depletion of forest of commercial reasons like timber industries, etc. We are cutting down the forest without any reason, and no one is like helping the forest to not cut down the trees. We are just cutting the trees because we need more buildings. We There is a lot of jungle now in our cities. It is made out of cement. It's our cities. They are all made out of cement. There is no more trees left, hardly any. So if we are cutting down the trees and then leopards can also come inside. because we are in the land. Urban expansion that eats into the animal habitat. Cutting forests to expand agriculture. We are cutting the forest just because we need more area and we need more farms. Large water management projects. Because of making dams, a lot of area is going. One land is separating into two lands, and if there, in case if there is a deer over here and the other deer over there, so next day there is a dam in between and there's whole lake. The deers can't meet together because of the dam. They have to go miles to get to the joint and then they meet each other. Forest fires that destroy animal habitat. Like I told you, one spark can cause the whole fire to death. Pollution like plastic waste that endanger wildlife. Because of oil leak, you can see that picture over there. The whole pelican is covered in oil and grease. Over here, the stock got stuck in the plastic. Because of hunting, the animals are getting less and but in India right now the hunting is banned because some lots of species of animals are endangered. Uh, and hunting is for fun also, just people like to hunt and they leave them. Waste of wildlife conservation. Stop unauthorized cutting of trees, plant more trees, having a planned urbanization, focus on increased agriculture production, have smaller water management projects, reduce pollution, stop hunting for food, in situ and ex situ conservation of wildlife. Plant more trees and save them. We need trees so we get oxygen. If we are cutting down the trees, our oxygen level gets low. Right now, the oxygen level is 72%. If we keep cutting down the trees, oxygen could go to 1% also, then the earth will not remain. Having planned urbanization. If we have a planned urbanization, then some part of the forest is also left. But still, people plant more trees in that planned urbanization. Increase agriculture production. Because we have to increase the agriculture production because people are mostly cutting down the trees, as I told. Having smaller water management. If we have smaller water management projects, then as I told, those two deers can meet sooner and faster. They don't have to walk that much also. Prevent pollution for healthy habitat. You should not be putting waste in the sea or littering the roads. In situ conservation of wildlife. Ex situ conservation of wildlife. Balance ecosystem through rightful actions. Uh, we, we have to manage the resources carefully, prevent forest fire, use eco-friendly technology and material, protect water, create awareness about wildlife conservation. Thank you.